Laughter-filled world of interstellar smart shipping. Wish a shipping man. You let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, I get all the profits. Wow, no, the first one will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go, 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 go. You weren't too much on fire. I would never send them any place dangerous, never damage the ship. And them too, yes, well. This is why I start my own company, to have ridiculous conversations with the talking trash bin.
KL-432 bags. Do you read?
Yes, indeed, loud and clear.
We're in a bit of a situation. The first
The first order, excellent.
We're not authorized to pick up the cargo.
Picking up the cargo, good, good.
They've accused us of stealing.
Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. All right, into the cockpit. I hope you are ready, my friends, but to be sure,
Right, this service
I will be coming along.
choose your position and buckle your seatbelt.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise youngways. Por favor, permanezca seated.
Looks like the Falcon has been cleared for takeoff. Good run.
Engineers, automatic repair engaged. Left pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. Only one pilot? You will be able to steer with it. Oh, watch it. Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? No gunners. Auto weapons engaged. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go with that coaxium. Left pilot, make the jump to light speed. There's the train. Go. Yes, yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that train. The pilot brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well, I have the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that little car. Cargo is breaking free. Keep shooting. Good job, my friends. Yes, yes, yes. You keep up to the train. Guns? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. Get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. Look. We're dying. Let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough. Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. Enfin, scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hull. Nothing, but keep looking. Last thing I want is to let another rata loose in here. I am not cleaning that up. Did you hear that? It's right over my cockpit. Whoa! Looks like we are ready to unload.
A freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing is practically scrap metal.